What's up guys, this is Shan Heather, and recently I received this tiny little gadget or device here called Zōk Relief. It's claimed to reduce the headache and migraine in a natural way without any medication. If you're following me on social media like Twitter or Instagram, so you might be knowing that I have some insomnia issue as well, and sometimes when I wake up in the morning I feel headache because of that, because of the lack of sleep. So I just thought to give it a try to this device and see whether it is effective or not, and if it is, how much effective it is. So in this video we are going to talk about the Zōk Relief, a headache killing device. Zōk comes in this tiny retail box here, on which you will find an image of the product, and on the back side you will find information about the Zōk. If you open it, inside this you will find the product itself, Zōk, and that's all. There is nothing else. On the back of the box you will find the instruction how to use it. There is no accessory, add-on or anything inside the retail box because Zōk does not need anything else. This is the whole package for Zōk. Talking about the design, the very first thing you will notice is that how lightweight is Zōk, because there is no metal part, battery or anything else that we usually see in other gadgets or devices. Here we got this valve or bulb, whatever you would like to call, a tiny little pipe here that creates the vacuum inside your ear, and here is the tip that goes inside your ear. As you can see, we got ear tips of 3 different sizes as we usually get along with the earphones. This tube here is slightly flexible, and this is a good thing because when you put Zōk in your ear and if you apply a bit of pressure, then instead of breaking, the tube will just move a bit. And because of its small size and lightweight feature, you can carry it anywhere you want. And the best part is, as I said earlier, this is the whole device, whole package of Zōk. You don't need any battery, any accessory, any add-on. The work process of Zōk is pretty simple. It changes the inner ear pressure to reduce the headache and migraine symptoms. If you want to know more about how exactly it works and all the medical, scientific, technical details, then you can visit Zōk's website, where you will find lots of information along with some useful videos that will help you in understanding the human anatomy as well, and also how Zōk exactly works to reduce the headache. There are 2 different methods to use Zōk. In the first one, you squeeze this bulb here to remove all air from inside this valve and create a vacuum. After that, you have to put it in your ear and just leave it there for 20-30 seconds, and after that take it out. You can repeat it multiple times if you need it. In the second method, you don't remove the air or create vacuum in Zōk. Instead of that, you put the Zōk directly inside your ear, and after that you apply a bit of pressure, then bring it back to the original position and keep repeating it again and again until you feel that your headache is reduced. My experience was that it does work and reduces the headache and migraine symptoms, but sometimes you will have to use it multiple times and for a while to get the proper relief. But the best part is that there is no side effect and you can carry it and use it anywhere you want. Zōk is a nice device or gadget, whatever you would like to call it, to reduce the headache, migraine symptoms. Zōk is not the permanent solution, but it can help in reducing the headache and migraines for sure. It is quite small, easy to use, there's no need to charge it or something, and you can carry it anywhere. And you must give it a try. It's pretty cheap as well, just around $35. I have shared the link and a discount coupon as well in the description of this video for all of you. And if any of you guys are already using this product, then feel free to share your feedback and experience in the comment section below, and I'll see you guys next time in another video. Have a nice day.